करण जौहर। यार जितना पैसा मिलता है उतना खर्च कर देते हैं। पिछली बारी कम मिले थे तो कम बजट की बनाई थी, इस बारी थोड़े ज़्यादा मिले, थोड़ी बड़ी बनाई। But that's what the film was about. It is about enjoying the scale, the music, the dance, the performance, the love story at that scale. So that's what the film is about. Hopefully it's a lot of fun along with the money spent.
See now, if I go to compare it to each and every film, it's gonna take a long time. But let's just say Alia and Alia in Shandar, there's a very thin line that's joining them together, as they both are mad, but they both are a lot of fun. But this character kind of made me explore this fantasy, quirky, little offside, which I've always wanted to do, which I always only do alone in my room. So for the first time, I could do that, played as a character in front of so many people on set, and it was really nice. I became the character. Started walking also like her, started saying jokes also like her.
यार सबसे पहले तो जब मैंने डैड के साथ पहला शॉट लिया तो 3-4 टेक हुए और मैं विकास के पास सिर्फ आके ये कहता रहा कि विकास मैं ओवर एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ, और विकास मुझसे कहता रहा शायद तू सडनली इतना ओवर एक्टिंग क्यों कर रहा है. एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक यू नो आई नीड टू डू अ लॉट टू बी एबल टू जस्ट फॉर पीपल टू जस्ट गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट ऑफ कैमरा वेयर डैड वाज टू राइट ऑफ कैमरा वेयर आई एम. So for me it's a very beautiful moment that मुझे अपने डैड के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, and I'd like to thank Vikas for that, for giving me that opportunity. I have been directed by him, but I have never done stood in the same frame as him. तो मैं शुरुआत में बहुत नर्वस था, but I think 2-3 दिन बाद हम लोगों की जो केमिस्ट्री है, एक्चुअली अगर आप देखें तो वो आलिया के फादर प्ले कर रहे हैं और मेरी और उनकी बिल्कुल जमती नहीं है फिल्म के अंदर. तो हम एक दूसरे को हमेशा we are both getting at each other. तो 1-2 दिन के बाद वो सेट हो गया. जैसे आप देखें हम लोग आई थिंक आज तक कभी किसी फिल्म के अंदर ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं आया होगा जहाँ पे लड़की के फादर और हीरो जो है वो स्काई डाइविंग करते हुए लड़ रहे हैं लड़की के बारे में. तो इस तरह के सीन से लॉट ऑफ रियली फन स्टफ टू डू विद डैड. And I think after some time we kind of went in that space where we were going for it with each other, and it was a lot of fun. And I actually that's one of the most special things about Shandar for me, that I got to work with my father and I also got to work with my sister Sana, who's debuting in this film. That was fantastic. इस फिल्म की खूबसूरती ये है कि ये एक समर फिल्म है. तो जैसा आप देखें सनलाइट है, everything is beautiful and it looks so nice. It wasn't. It was very cold when we shot this film. और ये हमें पोलैंड ले गए जहाँ पे हम ऐसा समर के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं और वहाँ पे -4 डिग्रीज था. तो अगर आप देखें तो काफ़ी शॉट्स में मुंह से धुआं निकल रहा है. वो सिगरेट का धुआं नहीं है, वो एक्चुअल धुआं है. और हम लोग सिर्फ शर्ट में पैंट में खड़े हुए, वाइल विकास जो है वो 3-4 लेयर कपड़े पहन के आराम से साइड पे खड़े होते. तो बोलते थे व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम, इट्स सो नाइस, लेट्स शूट. तो उनमें से एक दिनों पे मैं ऐसे, वो सीडी का एक शॉट है इस प्रोमो के अंदर, मैं चल के नीचे आ रहा था और ये आलिया ऐसे खड़ी हुई थी और इनको विकास बता रहे थे आलिया अब इस शॉट में ऐसे करना है, और ये ऐसे हाँ 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 ढाम. तो ये है फेंटम, ये है फैंटम.
यार मुझे तो न्यू और ओल्ड का फर्क पता नहीं होगा कि मेरे तो यही है जो फिल्म मेकिंग है. So but I think this is by time to get irresponsible and have more fun, because whatever someone has to achieve has happened last year. So a good film has happened, it's got a lot of acclaim, so it's now time to go and have fun. So I actually feel totally burden free. I feel now's the time to just go and have fun, make lots of films, keep writing new ideas and enjoy yourself, because something which I probably wanted to achieve once in my life has already been done. So now I'm totally burden free and totally easy at my.
Well, my one memory which is attached to Shandar and raises questions about how Sholay was done was how we shot the horse riding sequence in Shandar. We were not on horses. I have to tell them.
I was on a horse.
No, you were not. You liar. We sat on a horse for exactly 3 seconds in the shot where we were both together with.
And I finished taking it in that much time. This doesn't.
With exactly 3 people holding the reins because they were too scared that it was too dangerous to leave me and Alia on a horse. However, the rest of the sequence was very interestingly done, and I must tell everybody about this because it's something which I also discovered, where they have this huge trailer truck, and then they have this huge little thing behind it, like this thing with tires and stuff, and then they have poles attached to that, and then they have bungee cables, and on those bungee cables they put drums. And so actually you're sitting on 2 drums which are attached on bungee cables, and the way you ride the horse is by making yourself go up and down like this. So the entire sequence that we shot was with us actually doing this throughout and acting like we're on a horse.
Well, actually, the costume designer of the film, Archana Valavalkar, who did mine and Shahid's costume, she was the one who styled me. And actually, us dauran, me and Shahid both were training very, very hard. I was training, of course, for my bikini. Shahid just likes training hard in general, so he was training. So we would go to this gym and train every day, and we were both on this particular diet, and it was all very focused. And actually, my bikini shot was not supposed to be so elaborate. It was just supposed to be me in a bikini. But I worked so hard. Vikas said, "Acha, abhi to shot lena padega. Le lete proper bikini shot." It was not supposed to be such an elaborate shot, but because I worked hard, I pushed myself into it. But I'm so happy you liked it.
I must also tell you, it was probably the coldest day,
Yeah,
and Shahid also had to run into the water. So whenever you'd roll the camera, people would remove their clothes for precisely 10 seconds at that time and wear the clothes on. So there's one time when we're tracking back. And I'm behind the camera and Alsa. So as we pull back, we realized that Alia knew that she has only 10 seconds to remove the clothes and put the bag, that she was wearing her pants still here. So as we pull back, she's standing in a bikini, but actually her pants are still here. And she's standing there, so he said, cut.